So after this arithmetic operator, friends, here we go to see number two. Number two is comparison operators. Comparison operators. In this comparison operators are uh, used to perform or used to two values. Everyone will be clear now. Two values. So it's a one of the equal equal. So friends, here we go to see. So and in the same process, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. So print x equals to y. So y. So here we go to see false. Why? Because these equal operator will be used to understanding the x and y variable values. Here we go to see 3 does not equals to 9. Why? It is a greater than and is a lower than. So here we go to see, that's why here we got false. So here we go to see change the assigning value. So x is equal to 3, y equals 3, then run. So here we go to see x is equals to x equals to y is true. By the ascending descending order of the numbers, they can't equal the process by their instructable manner. So after that, not equal. Next one, not equal. By the way of saying this not equal by using this factorial symbol. So simply click on this. So after that, execute. So here we go to see false. Why? Because they got y false. We got y false. So example, see here, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 is equal. It is a equal. X is equal to y is equal to is a equal, is a not equal way, is a equal. That's why they got false. Now here we go to see, I am changing y, assigning value 9. So now we run. So here we go to see this is the true. So this is the way of not equal. So another one is greater than. Greater than. Greater than. In this greater than, so easily x less than, I mean greater than now. So in the same way of a variable equal operator values same by x and y. So print x greater than y. Is greater than y false. Because why? Because x is 3, then y equals to 9. So they can't a greater than. So here we go to say change assigning value to. So now here we go to say true because of 3 greater than 2. That's why x value is 3 and y value is 2. That's why x greater than y. So now less than, less than, here change the symbol. So after that, here change the symbol in same manner. So execute. False. Why? Because false. Why we get false here? So here we go to see x is equal to, again here we go to see x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 2. X is greater than 2 because 3 greater than 2. So that's why we got error. So easy. So now we have to see here, give assign one value. So now here we go to see x less than y, because of 1 is less than 2. That's it, friends. Less than. So after that, less than or equal to. Uh, in this comparison operator, it is a last one. In subtopic, it is in the subtopics, it is a last one method. Less than or equal to. The symbol of for this so less than or equal to. So here we go to see x is equal to I am assigning a value 5 and y equal to 3. So x greater than or equal to y. So let's execute. So false. Why? Because in this less than or equal to x 5 and y equal to 3. So that's why x is greater than y. So that's why they cannot equal. So in that case, we will got in the output it's false. So in the same manner, use the same manner use greater than. The same manner use greater than, as like we change the symbol greater than. Here we go to change the symbol. After that, simply execute. Now here we go to see, guys, we got it at true because of x greater than or equal to y. It is true. So this is the comparison operators. So we have to see, then we have to see here, it is a third one in these operators, logical operator. Logical operator. In these logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Don't worry, you have to see and understand with code. After you will be clear in this coding. So easily I am taking one of the variable x and with equal operator assigning a value 5. So after that I am click to enter, and after that I want to take print function with open parenthesis, then x greater than 3 and then x less than 10. So what is the output? We can see now true. Why we got true? So here we go to see x is equal to 5. It is a constant now in this code. X is equal to 5. X greater than 3. 5 greater than 3 is true. X less than 10. It's true. By the way of this, and it is a one of the part of this subpart of this subtopic of this logical operator. So by the same way we have or. Now we're changing the values now. So here we go to see in this or we got true. In execute in our output, in executable way in our output we get true. So x is equal to 5 is like same way, print x greater than 3 is equal to true or x less than 4 equal to true. This is the or concept. Next, now here we go to see simply after this. Now we have to see not. I'm giving like this here I'm giving this one of the comment by based on this subtopic. It is a not. And first of all completed what we are completed and or. Now not. So easy, x is equal to 5, print. After that give a not is a keyword and open parenthesis, give x greater than 3, x greater than 3 is absolutely true, and x less than 10 is absolutely true. Absolutely true. What we get now in the end of this? So let me see. So we got false. Why? Because why? Here the putting a one of the keyword, it is a not. It is not true, guys. It is a not. So x is equal to 5. After this, printing by using not keyword, x greater than 3. Okay, and x less than 10, because whenever this statement is in correct way, by putting off this not symbol, the python will be executed whenever it corrects as is like a false. Whenever it is correct by using this not symbol, whenever or wherever in this coding way is a false. That's the way. So after this, guys, now we have to see fourth one, assignment operator. Assignment operator. In this assignment operator, assignment operators are used to assign the values to variables. This is the main point. So we have subtopics in this. First one, equal. Second one is add and the symbol of this. Third one, subtract and here we go to see subtract and after that fourth one, multiply. Symbol of this multiply and symbol of this as like same open parenthesis. So this is the symbol of this. So after that, fifth one, in this fifth one, divide and so same divide symbol is slash equal to the same way as like same way. So sixth one is floor divide. What is the floor? So here we go to see, and compulsory you will understand definitely perfectly. So the percentage. So this is the floor divide, and seventh one is modulus. Seventh one is modulus. So is this for sorry for this floor and divide symbol. Floor and divide symbol is like that, like this. So here we go to see, it is a seventh. So we have another one, last one, exponent and exponent symbol for this is the exponent symbol. So now we have to see, now here we go to see each and every subtopic will be clearly explained in this video. So let's start for this. So First one, equal. In this equal, I am taking x equals to 5. X equals to 5. Then easily take a print function with open parenthesis, closed parenthesis, and x. Then easily execute. So f equals to 5. It is the equal operator. When we are given one of the variable with equal operator by using assigning a value of 5, just what we given, just print x. Yeah, here we go to see, here we got only before that in execution mode, before that running mode, already we want to understand here x is equal to 5. What is this equal? This is the x is equal to 5. Then print x means x is equal to 5. Here we go to see output. So that's the way. So after that, add on, add and symbol for this add on. So after that, I am taking x is equal to 5 as like same way and enter the same way. Then x plus or equals to, because of this symbol is called as add and. So after that, I'm taking some of the value x is equal to x and add and equal 3. So after that, I want to print x. So here we go to see 8. So this equal operator will be adding this addition symbol to the x given first 12th in 12th line, given first variable x equal to 5. This x variable equals to 5, and this x variable 12th line x variable 5 will be added to the 13th variable x plus 3. So that's why here we got 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So this is the and add and add and. So after that, subtract. Now we have to go to see subtract and I am give like short, I am given in shortcut method subs. So subs. So here we go to see. So here simply change the symbol. We added now subtraction symbol. So 5 minus 3 we got 2. Exactly, we got 2 by the way of this subtraction add-in. So after that, we want to do multiplication. So after that, in this same way, remove minus and put it multiplication symbol. So here we go to see 5 3 is a 15. So it is the multiplication symbol. After that, we want to use, what is that remaining? Divide. In this divide, simply remove multiplication symbol, just add two slashes, I mean one slash, I mean it is a divide symbol. So here we go to say I want to change assigning the, I want to change the value 6. Here we go to say 6 by 3, 3 1 the 3 2 the 6. So here we got 2.0. So this is the way. After that, we want to move, what is that? Floor. Now here we go to see it is the floor and how they performs in Python. So divide and, so after and here the symbol for floor double slash. So easily I am again assigning value 5. In this floor, use double slash and print. That's it. So here we go to see 5 by 3. Why we got 1 means without any double slash, we get decimal points with floating numbers. Once we can see, here we go to see 1.6666. So here we go to see, like, by using of these float divide, we can count only the calculated without any decimal point floating numbers. We can get only integer whole number. So that's it, guys. After that, we have to see here modulus. Modulus and these modulus symbol can be represented as like percentage and equals to. This modulus simply here remove floor and give a percentage. So simply run the program. So now here we go to see 3. 2 is the output. So why we go to, because of by the using of these percentage in these having 5 numbers, in this having 3 numbers. So by the use of percentage, take 3 and 3, so remaining 2. By the way of calculated both integer numbers by the both values in the presented value numbers can be percentage equality with percentages equality within a way like in a sequential manner that calculates each and everyone with each and every self satisfaction to get like output. So after that, exponent exponent symbol for this double star. So here we go to see simply remove modulus and use double star. Then now I want to change my value. You want to change yourself, you want to change, you doesn't want to change, not a problem, and execute. Here we go to see 2 into 2 into 2. What is the, you know that example in mathematics you already know what is about 2 square. 2 square equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. By this way 2 double star equals to 2 double star into 3 equals to how much? So here we go to see 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 2 into 2 4, then 4 into 2 8. So that's the way here we got E8. So this is the exponent. After that, going to the fifth one, other operators. Example I want to say identify operators like, so here we go to see some of the definition. Identify operators are used to compare the objects not if they are equal but if they are actually the same object with the same object with the same memory location. So this is the identify operator definition. So they are classified several types, and also in this identify operators they consider subtopics. So first one is First one is. Second one is not. Third one, there is no third one in this. So after that, let me see in code. First one is, I want to take x variable with equivalent of equal operator. I want to using square brackets. I want to use double quotes. So I want to take some of the names. What is the name? What is your name? I mean, I'm expecting like your name. Everyone, I want to expect one of the name like Ram, Jai Shri Ram. So after that, I want to give comma. I want to keep comma in after ended double quotes with one sequential word. After that, giving double comma, double quotes, and after Ram, after I am giving Ben 10. After I am giving Ben 10 is Ben like Ben. After that, I want to click enter and I am giving to y variable taking square brackets like same. I want to give same. I want to give same. After that, I'm entered. So now I want to uh, take another variable z equals to this z third in 21 line this z equals to x or not. So this z is equals to x or not. So we want to execute now. So here we go to see without any errors, but we can't get output. So why? Because it is a uh, without any print function. By using this print, we can get our output. Print function is a main method to use to get our output in input manner. No, is not z. I want to, sorry for this, x is z. I want to print like this. I want to print it like this. So x is z or not. So here we go to see absolutely we get true. Z is also be a x and x satisfies to z. So after that, x is y or not, because x satisfies the z, because z will be presented, z will be presented, z operator will be presented the x operator without any sequence of character, without any assigning the value, without any assigning the characters. So that's why z variable will be assigning x variable. That's why this is a print x is z. That's why this x is z, and in our output get true. Then otherwise, so here we go to see example x is y. No, it's get false. See here, x is y. No, x variable carries a sequence of characters, then y variable carries a sequence of characters. So they can't equal, they can't is. So that's it. So after that, second one we want to see second one. So in the same way, not is not. So x is not z, x is not z, executed, x is not z, false, because of x carries the z, then z carries the x by the way of x is z, x is not a z. So after that, we want to give x is not y is absolutely true. Here we go to see, sorry for this syntax error, some space here, z equals to x, that's it. So print x is not y. Here we go to see true. So that's why these concept or is or is not is a subtopics of the identify operators in other operators. So after that, guys, uh, now we have to see sixth one, membership operators. In these membership operators, they are divided several types. They have subconcept. First one in, second one not in, third one there is no third one. So so let me take first one. Simply I want to take a one of the variable x and equal operator, and using square bracket with double quotes I want to taking ram. In the previous operator, identify operator, I am already taken about ram name. I am already taken ram, so I want to take now Sita. So after that, give comma, give comma. Simply, what we want to take now, any ram. Okay, Sita ram. So after that, I am using print function without any x. So here the double quotes. What is that? Ram. Okay, ram in x or not. See here, ram in x or not. X, ram in x, because of it's true. So by the way of this, it is true. So by in the way of not in, second one, by the way of not in, uh, here we go to say cherry in x, cherry in x. No, in the output they printed what we have entered in 13th line with the variable equal operators and assigning the characters with square brackets. They printed as like the 13 have it inputted where they print output. So that's why we can observing. So cherry in x, no. So this is the in and not in operators. So this is the brief and clear. This is a brief and clear explanation about operators in high-level language, otherwise in Python language. And both are same. No, don't confuse yourself, and don't confuse myself. After that, guys. So now we want to learn more important topic in coding. What is this? Selection statements. Selection statements. So first one, if statement. Second one, for loops. Third one, while loops. Fourth one, control flow tools. So now here we go to learn about first if statement. It is a very simple topic. Understand clearly. It is a very important topic to do, to learn, to write, to type every code, any code in every programming language. This is a mandatory. This is a constant topic in every C, C++, Java, Python, etc. This is the main topic to learn. What is the topic name? This topic name is selection statements. So first one, if statements, if statements, if statements are used to are used to for conditional execution of code. You can also use elif for for multiple conditions for multiple conditions. So after that, so we want to see now basic if in Python. Simply I want to take one of the x variable and equal operator assigning a value 10. After that I want to take if. In the starting tutorial I'm gave like I'm typed a code like this. If you don't confuse, you watch full tutorials, you can observe, you can understand very easily. So now this is the time to understand about this if and selection statements. So watch previous video, it's very clear and brief information to learn about Python. So if basic if, so I want to take x greater than 5 with the indentation symbol. After that I want to give some space. After that I am printing with x is greater than 5. So after that we want to execute. I want to executing. So here we go to see x is greater than 5. If else. So now it's time to use else. Else with indentation. After that here we go to print x is not greater than 15. So now we execute. So simply here we go to see x is greater than 5. X is not greater than 5. X is not greater than 15. So is this way the if block statements will be used. So after that we want to know about for loops. Second one, for loops. In these for loops are used for iterating over a sequence like a list, tuple, dictionary. Don't fear about this. In the next video we want to clear about these topics like lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets. So here we go to see. So I want to take some of the code like fruit. I want to take one of the variable fruit with square brackets with double quotes. I want to give some of the name apple. After that comma is very usable because of this comma will be identifies each and every character with it without any errors to understand Python very easily by using this comma. So after that I will take what's the name, banana. After that I want to take one of the cherry. So I want to click this cap, so remove that. After that I want to click enter. So In this for, using for loop, in this for fruit in fruits, and gave it like this, fruit in fruits with indentation symbol, and entering, go to here, and we have to print fruit. So what will happen, let me see. So here we go to see, we got error because uh, fruit, apple, banana, cherry is a perfect line. After that, for fruit in fruits, uh, print fruit, it is a basic code to understand, so that otherwise they can't execute in this way. They considered some of the process. I will explain clearly about now. This is a for loop. After that, for loop, using range. Okay, using range. Normally used the code is 5 I range. This is a basic code, that's why they can't executing. They executed with a perfect code. After this, adding these loops, they will be executed by the way of their instructable manner. So print, I want to print I. So that's it. This is the third using range way. So after that, fourth one, sorry, for third one, it is the second one, so it is third one, looping through a dictionary. Looping through a dictionary. Okay, dictionary. So after that, I want to taking a one of the name like a person equals to, open curly braces. I'm using double commas. So name, after that indentation, Charan, after that comma, now age, indentation 23, comma, now city, indentation, after that just be new, Hyderabad, okay. After that, we want to click enter. So here we go to see. After that, using for, in this looping through a dictionary, using key with comma value, in person dot items with parentheses of indentation. So after this, easily print key comma value. After this, enter and execute. So here we go to see easily, name equals to Charan, age equals to 23, city equal to Hyderabad. So by the way of in this looping through a dictionary, the person is a character, is a variable. So by using this equal operator, by using these curly braces in dictionary way, I want to give one of the sequential characters. After that, we compulsory, when we are entered a character name, compulsory open and closed with double quotes and with indentation. After that, this is the heading, that's why close double quotes, open and close double quotes, and use indentation symbol. After that, using double quotes, enter your name. After that, use comma. By the way of these process, by the way of these same line process, you execute, you rewrite or write many things in way to ready a dictionary form in this way. So this is the loops throwing way. So next one is while loops. Next one is while loops. While loops. In these while loops are used to execute a block of code as long as a condition is true. Condition is true. After that, basic while loop. Basic while loop. In this basic while loop, here we go to say simply I want taking one of the variable name I equals to, I am assigning a value 0. After that, I want to using while, and after I less than or equal to 5. So close it with indentation and entered. After that, printing function, the open parenthesis will be I. So I plus and equals to add, and it is a symbol of add and, so 1. So here we go to see guys, by the way of these while loops, I is a initialization, I is a initialization, I is a 0. We are inputted like a I is a 0. These while can be initialize the optimization of I by these 0 will be entered into the these 1. These 0 will be I value is equal to 0. These I value prints in I with the plus 1, with the symbol of plus 1. Initialization, optimization and realization by the way of these using code. So these will be rotates. So there these rotates while the here we got, see here we got I and they are repeatedly more. After that, when they are less than or when are greater than or less than or equal to, in while loops they are satisfied, it is true, they are unsatisfied, it is false. So that's the way. Third one, control flow tools. In these control flow tools, so here control flow tools, in these control flow tools, first one break, second one continue. These break and continue code, in this code they are breaks the code and continues the code. So how? So here we go to see, I will taking for I in range, for I in range 20, I want to take 20 with closed indentation. And then if I equals to compulsory in Python, we want to use double equal. This is the symbol for this. We can't use one equal to clarify them. So double equal to clarify them to execute without any errors. After that, break. After that, print. Click the break, and after that, print I. So easily we want to execute now. So we got some error because of for I in range without any variable, without any print function, we can't use for loops. After the completion of our writing code, when we are to when we are to add loops in gaming, in everywhere, gaming mode everywhere, like Ludo is a loop game. Ludo is a loops. Once we click on the die, the rolls like in for in I range, like while loops. So that's the way. After that, this is the break for this manner. So after one, next one continue. So in range, for I in range equals to take I want to take 90. I want to take 90 with closing function entered. If I equals to 5 or 9, I equals to 5 or 9, I mean what I am said, use double equal. It's very clear to understand. After that, continue. After that, continue with print function I. After that, enter. So execute. So we got also unexpected indent. So because of indentation error means start here. This is a main concept in Python. Start here to execute the code. So now here we go to see. Because of any rewritten code will be same as like in same breakaway. So that's it. After that, uh, this is a more example for this break and continue with code information. So in our next topic, in our next video, we want to explain about the functions. So until practice this as well as you possible in your way, as well as like you are in a possible way. So practice as well as practice makes everyone will be like a perfect. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Until subscribe my channel. Take care. Wait for the next lecture and next lesson for this Python high level programming language.